Types of resources. Resources. Any physical material which is a part of our surroundings and atmosphere and fulfills the need of people is known as a resource. Resources are broadly classified as natural resources and human resources, which are further divided into more categories and their subcategories. Types of resources. The resources are majorly divided into different categories on the basis of origin, exhaustibility, ownership, and status of development. Let's discuss them in details. 1. On the basis of origin. Both biotic and abiotic resources come under this category. Biotic resources contain living things and organisms such as human, plants, etc., while abiotic resources contain non-living things such as rocks. 2. On the basis of exhaustibility, both renewable and non-renewable resources come under this category. Renewable resources can be produced by physical and chemical processes. Solar and wind energy, forests and water are the examples of such resources. On the other hand, non-renewable resources cannot be created so easily and take millions of years in their formation. Metals and fossil fuels are the examples of such resources. 3. On the basis of ownership. Individual resources, community-owned resources, natural resources and international resources come under this category. As its name suggests, that individual resources are owned by an individual in the form of lands, plots, and houses, etc. Plantation, water in wells and ponds are also some examples of these resources. Community-owned resources are owned by a group of few people, or we can say community or society. Public parks, picnic spots, burial grounds, playgrounds are some examples of these resources. As the name suggests, that national resources are the resources which belong to a particular nation. Roads, canals, railways, and airports, etc. of a nation are some example of these resources. International resources are regulated by international institutions. The oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone are the example of these resources. 4. On the basis of status development. Potential resources, developed resources, stock and reserves are come under this category. Potential resources are present in a region but haven't utilized by the people of that region. Solar and wind energy have still not developed in some states of India like Gujarat and Rajasthan, while it could be developed. After completing the survey, the quality and quantity of developed resources are determined for use. For example, India has many million tons of coal resources. Stock resources are present in sufficient quantity in our environment, but we don't know the best technologies that how to use them. For example, water is made of hydrogen and oxygen, but people don't know where and how to use this hydrogen. As the name suggests, that reserves means reserve the material for future use, that is, their use has not been started. Water in the dams and forests, etc. are the examples of reserves.